Hey guys, this is Kyle here with Specialized Equipment, bringing you my 1969 Chevelle big block. It's an SS clone car I've had. It's fully restored. I'm gonna do a video for you guys to let you know how nice it is other than just the pictures. It sounds really good, runs good. The paint is absolutely amazing. Fresh set of wheels and tires on it. I bought the car like this. I did not have it built. Inside, doors shut and open real good. Seats are in good shape. Just want to do a little walk around video instead of just, telling you it's good. You can hear it. It draws a lot of attention. There's no rust, no issues. Like I said, it's fully restored, so expect a high quality car when you're buying it. Tires might have 200 miles on them. If you have any questions, call me at 417-300-7713. Thank you.